Hey there, Judith Flores here from Period 8, and today we're going to take a look at virtual frog dissection. So we have the frog laying down flat, and once it's laid down flat, we cut it open. Once we have it cut open, we take a look at the liver. Now the liver has a job of purifying the blood that the frog needs and pumps it up to the remaining parts of the body. This helps the blood get detoxified. The liver produces bile that goes back to the intestines. The liver also makes protein that helps other functions and blood clotting. Then we have the heart. The heart is the most important organ that the frog has and needs. The heart pumps blood through the whole body of the frog. The heart gives the nutrients and oxygen that the tissues need and takes every bad thing, for example, the waste and the carbon dioxide. Next up, we have the gallbladder. Now, the gallbladder stores the bile that is made by the liver. The bile also helps digest and absorb fats from the food that is eaten by the frog. The stomach. The stomach is the muscular organ that releases the enzyme and strong acids that helps digest the food. Then we have the small intestine. The function of the small intestine is the main organ that is meant to absorb the digested food. Then we have the fat bodies. The fat bodies is basically what the name is. It stores fat. This in frogs is used to mate and hibernate. Then we have the spleen. The spleen is an organ that is used to store, produce, and eliminate blood cells. The large intestine. The main reason of the large intestine is to store in food that is not digested. It stores water that is remained from food. Then we have the lungs. The lungs are meant to soak up the oxygen that is spread in the air. Then the oxygen is moved to the blood. Last but not least, we have the kidneys. Now, the function of the kidneys is to store in the urine before it is released through the anus. This has been the virtual frog dissection, and thanks for watching.